Welcome back to the final episode of AI Practitioner Exam Bites. Let's start by reviewing the question from the previous episode asking which is the most appropriate AWS service. The answer is C, Amazon Macie. Amazon Macie is a data security and data privacy service that uses machine learning and pattern matching to discover and protect your sensitive data stored in AWS. While the other options are important AWS security services, IAM is used for managing access to AWS services and resources. GuardDuty is a threat detection service that continuously monitors for malicious activity and unauthorized behavior. And PrivateLink provides private connectivity between VPCs, AWS services, and on-premises applications. Today we're covering the final task statement 5.2, recognize governance and compliance regulations for AI systems. And it's 4 exam objectives, so let's get into it. First up, let's identify some key regulatory compliance standards for AI systems. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. These are global standards that cover various aspects of AI, including risk management and ethics. SOC, System and Organization Controls. These reports assess an organization's internal controls related to security, availability, and confidentiality. And algorithm accountability laws. These are emerging regulations that require transparency and fairness in AI decision-making processes. Remember, compliance isn't just about checking boxes. It's about ensuring your AI systems are ethical, secure, and trustworthy. And AWS offers several services to help with governance and regulation compliance. AWS Config continuously monitors and records your AWS resource configurations. Amazon Inspector automatically assesses applications for vulnerabilities and deviations from best practices. AWS Audit Manager helps you continuously audit your AWS usage to simplify risk assessment and compliance with regulations. AWS Artifact provides on-demand access to AWS security and compliance reports. AWS CloudTrail records AWS account activity and API usage for auditing. And finally, AWS Trusted Advisor offers real-time guidance to help you follow AWS best practices. These tools can significantly streamline your compliance efforts, but remember, you're still responsible for ensuring your AI systems meet all relevant standards. Now let's turn our attention to data governance strategies. Effective data governance is crucial for AI systems. Here are some key strategies. Data lifecycles. Manage data from creation to deletion, ensuring proper handling at each stage. Logging. Keep detailed records of data access and modifications. Data residency. Ensure data is stored and processed in compliance with regional regulations. Monitoring and observation. Continuously track data usage and quality. And finally, retention. Implement policies for how long different types of data should be kept. A robust data governance strategy helps maintain data integrity, security, and compliance throughout the lifecycle of data and machine learning. Finally, let's discuss processes for following governance protocols. Policies. Establish clear guidelines for AI development, deployment, and use. Review cadence. Set regular intervals for reviewing and updating your governance practices. Review strategies. Develop methods for thoroughly assessing your AI systems and processes. And governance frameworks. Utilize tools like the generative AI security scoping matrix to assess and mitigate risks. Transparency standards. Establish clear guidelines for explaining AI decisions and processes. And finally, team training requirements. Ensure your team is up to date on the latest governance and compliance standards. And remember, governance is an ongoing process. Regularly revisit and refine your protocols to keep pace with the rapidly evolving AI landscape. And with that, that's a wrap on our AI Practitioner Exam Bite series. We've covered a lot of ground, from AI fundamentals to governance and compliance. I hope these bite-sized videos have given you a solid foundation for the AWS Certified AI Practitioner Exam. But remember, this is just the starting point. Take the time to dive deeper into areas you find challenging and don't hesitate to revisit earlier episodes if needed. As you prepare for your exam, stay curious, keep practicing, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. And don't forget to book your exam, and best of luck to you all. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and here's to your success in becoming an AWS Certified AI Practitioner.